So it looks like the Galaxy A56 5G is still going to be coming to the US. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, so this article is from phonearena.com. If you guys want to read this on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. The headline states, Samsung hasn't forgotten about the Galaxy A56 US launch after all. So it says Samsung's Galaxy A56 is still missing from US store shelves nearly 3 months after its global debut, but that might be about to change. Finally, a new development suggests the company is still planning to bring the phone stateside, albeit on its own slow schedule. As things stand, the more affordable Galaxy A36 is already available in the US, while the more capable Galaxy A56 remains out of reach. The delay is frustrating, especially considering Samsung confirmed back in March that the A56 would arrive stateside, just not immediately. Since then, the company hasn't said much, but behind the scenes, development has not stopped. We can now confirm that Samsung is actively working on US firmware for the Galaxy A56, specifically model number SM A56-6U1. That's the clearest sign yet that the device is still coming. While there's still no firm release date, continued firmware development suggests that Samsung is inching closer to launch. One possible reason for the slow rollout is the Galaxy A56 offers tremendous value for its price, so much so that it would compete with the upcoming Galaxy S24 FE. Priced at $499 globally, the Galaxy A56 brings a 120Hz AMOLED display, the Exynos 1480 chip with AMD graphics, and 5 years of software support. In some ways, it threatens to undercut Samsung's FE series. The Galaxy A56 has a lot going on for it. It has a 6.6-inch 1080p AMOLED display, together with a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5,000 mAh battery. It also comes with 4 OS updates and 5 years of security patches. One of the strongest selling points, however, is the Exynos 1480 processor, which includes a stronger GPU with higher graphics performance than the previous A55 phone. The expected US launch price remains at $499, but Samsung might modify this amount. I think Samsung absolutely is going to modify this amount because there would be no reason to pick up this phone at $499 in the US. I mean, I picked up this on wirelessplace.com for $350, albeit it does not have the bands necessary to work as good as it can in the United States. I did get it for that price tag. So if Samsung wants to drop this phone at a good price tag, I would say $399 is going to have to be the price. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Maybe even $449. I think $449 would be fine, but that is way too close to the Galaxy S24 FE, and it's also way too close to the Galaxy S25. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What price should they release the Galaxy A56 at? This is one of the weirdest releases in history, and it seems like this phone is still coming. So for them to release this phone maybe 3 or 4, even 5 months later than they previously announced, it would be something very, very weird to see.